Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see stocks for tomorrow, 2nd July, and first we'll see FNO stocks. FNO stocks I personally trade very less. I give them least priority. Like if I don't find anything, then I take trade. And mostly I take trades which are newly added like Deepak Nitrate, Naveen Fluorine, Guj Gas. So there I mostly take trade, and where the price is like more than 2000, those kind of stuff. So now, if anybody is interested, they can trade. So I will share. Sun Pharma you can buy above 687, and you have to keep stop loss around 684. Deepak Nitrate, this I have shared yesterday also. It has given a good breakout. You can buy above 1819 intraday, but this setup is best for now for swing or cash buy. So you can expect the target of 2000 from here. Then we have Bosch Limited. This is making a range. You can buy about 15,290. So if it breaks upside, we will buy. Then Dr. Reddy. This I shared yesterday as well. This is a very good breakout. If sustained, you can buy this for swing as well. And in intraday, we will now buy above day high. Then Gensa Tech. This also moved well. This we can buy above 313 intraday. And if you find any dip, you can buy for swing as well. Above 330 also you can buy, and you can add in dips also. So you can allocate 50% of 330 and rest if it comes around support area. And target you can expect around 345. And if breaks this 350 zone, that it may run more. Next is Heritage Food. This we have to buy above 454 in intraday, and this is good for swing as well. I was telling like in this zone also, like it is good, it can reverse as it is a strong support. So now we can buy this above 454. Then we have PNC Infra. This we can buy above 300 in intraday. Camcon is, this is in a range. We can buy above 520. This we can buy for both intraday and swing. JK Lakshmi, this we have to buy above 595. So guys, if there is an swing opportunity, I will explicitly tell you that you can buy in swing. Otherwise, by default, all are intraday trades. Then we have Delta Corp. This we can buy above 190. This, and if you want to take risk, then you can buy above 187 also. And this you can buy in swing as well. But you have to, for swing, you have to keep stop loss below 175. Then we have ISEC. This will buy above 680. Then few stocks which has given breakout and can carry their momentum. So Sudarshan came above 755. Then we have Kai Industry. This we can buy above day high. Aris also day high. And Aris I think I shared a few last week or and today it has given breakout, and I got timely alert and I bought it somewhere around 720. I bought. And Kai also I shared. So always keep alerts. You can use Sentinel or investing.com, and you can keep alerts. Then we have Carver Universal. This also we can buy above day high 645. RK Forge. This also given breakout today above 675. It has given breakout. Now we can buy this above today's high, which is 700. In cash stocks we have Apollo Tricot. This we can buy of 1600, and it is listed only in BSE. And the chart, its chart will not get updated live on TradingView. It is delayed. So you have to use your broker chart like Zerodha Upstocks. There you can see the live. So this you can buy of 1600. RCF making a cup and handle kind of pattern. So this we have to buy above 90 in intraday and for swing also. But if you want to take risk, you can buy above day high 85 or 86. You can buy for swing, and you keep stop loss below 80. For intraday, we will definitely buy only above 90. Then we have GNA. GNA will buy above 470. Waterways will buy above 135. Amrutanjan, this we can buy above 731 whenever it breaks. Indian Nippon, today it didn't sustain. So if you have not entered, then you can enter when it breaks this 383, and stop loss you have to keep below this trend line. And home first, keep in radar whenever it breaks 580 level. So these are the stocks for tomorrow, and few stocks are at support. So if you are interested, you can see those stocks. I personally don't trade support reversal. I trade when they on like I trade when they make this kind of pattern, like they goes to support area, make a some range like this. It came to support area and it made a range of 5 6 7 candles, and then it broke upside. Here you can see it came at support level and then it traded and broken. So some price action should happen at support, then only I buy. And this also I give least priority to support buying. So the support, you can check, the stock is Neogen, but it has already reversed. So in the, like this came into support, so this was the perfect entry level. This 3 or 2 candles high, 846 or 47. So we don't jump into trade directly at support. We wait for some price action. Then Heritage Food, this also bounced from support. So that's why I have given it 440. Net Porox, and this also, this trend line is there, so it has taken support and bounce. So if you want to take risk, you can keep stop loss around 2150 and buy day high. So you have to buy this about 2300 and stop loss below 2150. Surplus text, so this is also at support, so you can see accordingly how you want to use these stocks. And in Nippon already share Spark, this also trading near support, it is still far around 220 and the CMP is 232. So either it breaks upside you can buy, or it comes downside and makes some pattern. Kirloskar Engineering, this is also at a support. Guj Alkali, this is also near to support area, so it may bounce, so you can use some trend line, then you can buy, or if it makes some range and then it breaks upside, so you can use those. Like this I have, like in this stock, this is Blue Star Co. So if it breaks 850, then only I will buy. Being a greedy and buying at trying to bind at very low level, that's not good approach, it can give breakdown also. So I will buy this above 850. Goa Carbon, this is also approaching support. MHRIL, this is also near support. Jubilee Industry, this is support, and here if it breaks upside, then you can buy. Fine Organic, this is also a kind of support area. This is full support area, so you can buy if it breaks somewhere around this 2980, this level. Then Canfin Home, this is your stop loss and you can buy above this area. Greaves Cotton, this is also a very long support, you can see 1858 level. And so if you see some bullish sign, some hammer candle on daily or hourly, you can use it. I personally don't have much info on this because I don't do this. Espal, this is also coming near support, 210 level, this is the support. And in V-Guard also, this I told last time you can buy, but now it is coming again downside. So let's see how it behaves in this zone, then you can use these stocks. So that's it for today guys. Thank you everyone.